Brittany.
Hey guys, and thankfully for us here at home, we're not going to have that significant rainfall that people are going to see in the southeast. Here's a look at Helene, and this is a massive hurricane. Although it's a Category 2 with maximum sustained winds at 105 miles per hour, its hurricane force winds are about 60 miles from the center of the storm, but it's also producing tropical storm force winds more than 300 miles from the center of the hurricane. So there it is, about 250 miles southwest of Tampa, Florida. We're going to be watching this as it further strengthens here through the afternoon and also this evening. There you can see as it approaches the Big Bend of Florida, it strengthens into a major hurricane, and this is going to be accelerating in speed as it moves inland, and that's where you get some big problems. Rena was talking about the storm surge, but also powerful wind gusts as this likely still maintains tropical storm characteristics even as it moves by areas like Atlanta, Georgia. So we're going to be watching the wind, the storm surge, a significant rainfall threat. This purple area here from the Florida Panhandle all the way up into the Carolinas, that is a high risk of flooding rainfall. There could be isolated amounts in the southern Appalachians that see up to 20 inches of rain. Here at home, we had a little bit of rain earlier this morning, getting a little bit of a lull right now. Cloudy skies, still some showers to deal with as we go through the rest of this afternoon. And here you can see your 3-day forecast. Today, the warmest of days, 80 degrees, couple of spotty showers, but notice the clouds and the rainfall continues into the weekend. I'll have much more on that coming up in the extent. And I think it was because it was raining at a pretty steady clip, especially if you were north and west of Philadelphia. And chances are at this point this afternoon, if you're looking out your window, you're probably seeing exactly what the airport is reporting right now. PHL Airport reporting a lot of clouds at 76 degrees. Our visibility is not bad. We've had some areas with local dense fog, especially where we had the rain earlier this morning. Our dew point is at 71, so that tropical air is here. It's thick. We're feeling it. And because of that extra humidity in the air, we actually got a decent amount of rain in some locations, most notably north and west of Philadelphia. The top two reports just to the south of Lancaster proper, so Holtwood, over an inch and some change of rainfall, definitely very beneficial. Christiana, just close to 3/4 of an inch. Spots like Spring City in Chester County, over a 1/2 of an inch, and Coatesville also picking up over a 1/2 of an inch of rain. It was kind of here, and it's already out of here. Storm Tracker 6 live radar showing a pretty clean scan out of our exclusive radar site in Lancaster County. A couple of spotty showers back into central Pennsylvania, but a lot of us are just dealing with the clouds at this point. Here's a big picture look for you. A lot of clouds. Most of the confined rainfall is either to our southwest or to the north and east. And as we get you through the rest of this afternoon, the skies are pretty much going to stay like this, mostly cloudy, that tropical humidity. We could still have a little bit of drizzle, mist, a stray shower or two, but I don't think it's at the intensity of what some locations saw earlier this morning. Temperature-wise, today is the warmest of the week. 77 in Lancaster this afternoon, 80 degrees in Philadelphia, 80 in Millville. At the Jersey Shore, temperatures are in the mid-70s. Satellite and radar taking a look at what's going on with Hurricane Helene. You can see it spinning there over the Gulf of Mexico. Maximum sustained winds at 105 miles per hour. This will make landfall late tonight. And if we look at some of the impacts here, catastrophic storm surge. That's why the National Hurricane Center is saying it's unsurvivable. Some areas could see storm surge up to about 20 feet. This is a large hurricane, and it's going to bring strong winds well inland. Tropical storm force winds extend more than 300 miles across the storm, and then you have that heavy rainfall, especially into the southern Appalachians. We'll start to get some of the rainfall from Helene come Friday. A few spotty showers during the morning, but I think the most intense bands of the rainfall arrives late Friday night into first thing Saturday morning. So in your exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast, a little hard to smile when you're not seeing a lot of sunshine. Today, very humid, an isolated shower, 80 degrees. More clouds tomorrow, temperatures in the mid-70s, and that's where we hold our temperatures late Friday into early Saturday. We have that batch of some steadier rain that we're going to be watching with Helene. And then our forecast gets a little bit brighter later next week, but we still have a lot of these cloudy days, cool temperatures. But I will say, if you like the clouds, you're going to like our 7-day forecast. So
Okay.
yeah, something for everyone, I guess.
Get with the program, right?
Yeah, we have to. So tropical storm watches as we look kind of at the big picture with what we anticipate here in the short-term period with Hurricane Helene. You can see tropical storm force warnings indicated in orange across parts of North Carolina, South Carolina, also as we take you into Georgia, Alabama, and the state of Florida. And then in red, that's where you have hurricane warnings. So let's talk about the track, what we can expect as we kind of push things forward here. Right now, Helene is a Category 2 hurricane with maximum sustained winds at 105 miles per hour, but stronger gusts up to about 125 miles per hour. It's moving north-northeast at about 14 miles per hour, and we expect this to continue strengthening as we go through the rest of this afternoon into a Category 3 that's major hurricane status with winds at 120 miles per hour. Typically, when we have landfalling hurricanes, they start to slow down as they approach the coastline. This is actually going to be gaining speed as it's